Mimebasher here. Just thought I'd share with you some short, little, very short little clip of some wild parrots that I was able to capture on my handy camcorder in the tree right outside my apartment. There was actually 3 of them up there, but I was only able to capture 2 at the most. They were kind of large parrots. Normally we have these little small green parrots, but these were a little bit larger and pretty wild. Wouldn't let me feed them, but I haven't seen them since, but gonna have my eye open to see if I can capture them. Well, enjoy the footage.